Hello everyone, I am Sujoy and today I will show you how to write a simple quadratic equation solver program on Casio FX9860G2 graphing calculator. So let's start. To write a program, you have to go to this program menu. So highlight the program option and press the exe button. It's also called enter button or CR or carriage return button. Press exe. It will list all the programs you have. To create a new program, press F3. Enter the program name. To type alphabets, press this alpha button and this button for A, because above this button A is written in red color and alpha is also red color. You can press alpha and corresponding button to type the corresponding alphabet. If you want to enter multiple alphabets, then press shift and alpha to enter alpha lock mode, which is denoted by this blinking A cursor. Now let's give the name quad. So Q U A T. Press exe. It will enter the program editor option. This is the source code of the program. So this is the first line. First is quotation mark. For quotation, press alpha and exponent button. Alpha lock. Exit alpha lock mode by pressing alpha once. Scroll to the left and enter this button for negative symbol. Remember, this is minus button and this is negative symbol. Both are different. For space, press alpha and this button for space. This button for x square plus press shift and this button for equals 0. Exe. Now we'll enter the variable a. To get this question mark symbol, also called the input operator, which accepts an input from the user and stores the value to the variable. Press shift and verse button and then F4 for question mark and this button for arrow symbol, which is called the store operator, which stores the input value into the corresponding variable. Here the variable is A. Similarly for B, now to get this if operator, press F1 for command, again F1 for if, for AC. To get greater than symbol, press exit, scroll right, relation operator F3 and then again F3 for greater than. For square, enter. For then, exit, command and F2 for then, alpha lock, exit alpha lock mode, else. For else, press F3, enter. This button for left parenthesis or left bracket, and this button for negative symbol. Shift and this X square button for square root. And now this is the output operator which displays the output into the screen. For that, exit and F5. For if end, F1 for command option and F4 for if end. So we have entered the source code into the calculator. Let's run it. For that, exit. Keep on exiting till you get the program list option menu. Then to run a program, highlight the program and then either press F1, which stands for exe, or simply press the exe button. Let's enter A is 2, B is -1 and 3. So it will give you imaginary root. Press exe again exe to run again. 2, 1, -3, and it will give you the first root. Press exe again to get the second root. Press exe again to exit. So we have successfully created the quadratic equation solver program on this calculator. How was the video? Let me know in the comments below. If the video gets 100 likes, then I will keep on posting more videos for you. And do let me know if you want to make another video or any special topic video. I will try to make that also. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.